Welcome back to Yard Cooking Jamaica channel. So I am gonna do sweet and sour chicken in this video recipe, and I am gonna use some annatto seeds to give me an orange color because I want the chicken to have like an orange color. Annatto seeds is used for natural food coloring in Jamaica. The seeds are from the annatto tree, so no preservatives, it's all natural. The amount of seeds they use depending on how deep you want the color is, the color to be, that is, and make sure that the heat is on low. I think I mentioned this before in another video. So I'm gonna turn off the heat and allow the seeds to continue to steep into the oil until I get my desired color. I will strain off the oil. To make the sweet and sour chicken, I am going to use some fresh pineapples, piece of ginger root, fresh pineapple juice, sweet pepper, the ripe one small sweet pepper, and hot peppers, the ripe one for heat and the green one for flavor. And it's just a couple of slices, and half of one large onion and piece of garlic. Okay, so I thought I was recording, but obviously not. So let me just run through what I did. I seasoned the chicken breast. I am using chicken breast that I cut into cubes and then wash with vinegar and water, put to drain and then pat dry, and then I season with salt, then I season with Maggi chicken flavor, I season with Maggi all-purpose, then with Badia complete season, a little bit of Laurie's seasoned salt and black pepper. That's all. Now I am gonna cover it and put it in the fridge to marinate because it is quite early. This is optional for a lot of people. However, I like when my meat marinated. Not always, but most times. Okay, so now I am gonna put some of the chicken breast into the flour, the seasoned flour. Shake off the excess amount. Just gonna put it into the hot oil. part is just a little bit of water. Just a little bit. And to that, I am going to add the seasoning. So I'm going to allow the seasoning to cook in the water for like probably 2 minutes or until they become soft. I added the pineapple juice. Now I am going to add the pineapples and the ginger. I am going to season the sauce with a little bit of all-purpose and chicken seasoning. And this is my way of making the sauce. So I'm going to cover the pot and allow everything to cook down. To this sauce, I'm adding some ketchup. I'm adding some salt. People, I thought I was recording again and I wasn't. Oh Lord, I'm telling you man.